Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to reset forgotten Roblox password. So here in the Roblox app, you need to open it and click on forgot password or username. Click on that and you will be taken to this page where you have to recover your Roblox account. Click on the email that is associated with your Roblox and click on submit. So it has sent an email that has all the instructions. So I will open my Gmail and here it will show the button to reset password. It will now take me to a new page where I need to enter a new password. Let me just go ahead and type a new password. Now you have set a new password. Click on submit and you will have your forgotten password reset. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. For more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Meet you guys in the next video.